Have you ever had a mess like this? Most robot vacuums will be able to clean up that spill on the floor, but if that spill happens to go over onto the carpet as well, you're pretty much out of luck. Well, at least that was the case before the introduction of this here, the eufy E28. As always, leave it up to eufy to come up with a must-have robot vacuum cleaner concept that's going to change the game. And this one features the world's first 2-in-1 HydroJet robot floor washing and detachable handheld deep cleaner. A lot of people have a robot vacuum and they use it daily, but those of us who have a deep cleaner usually have it stored away in the closet just because it's so big and bulky and takes up a lot of space. But by combining the water tank and also the motor that's built into the robot vacuum base station, the E28 makes a deep cleaning robot a lot more useful simply by making it more compact and also just ready to go at all times. At this point, I'm pretty sure that we're all familiar with what a modern robot vacuum cleaner can do. So let's start off with the base station and the portable deep cleaner that's built in, because honestly, that's really what sets this apart. If you spill something on a carpet, chair, or sofa in your house, I'm sure you're familiar with the routine, running to the kitchen or bathroom, grabbing a towel, and then cleaning up that stain. If it's water, you're gonna be just fine, but if it's a glass of milk, or even wine, or God forbid, coffee, you're probably gonna be spending the next 10 to 15 minutes washing and rewashing just to make sure that that stain is completely gone before it dries. But the E28 really just solves all of that. Just pick it up from the robot vacuum base station, turn it on, and then suck up the spill in a matter of seconds. And then you simply go back to whatever you were doing. It's as easy as that. Oh, and did I mention that you can do all of that while the robot vacuum is actually out cleaning your floor as well, cleaning with both the portable deep cleaner and the robot vacuum at the same time. To give you a closer look, this whole unit has everything that you need just built right in, even a long extension cord so that you can get anywhere in your house. There's even a button on the handle of the hose so that you can spray water to get the surface that you're cleaning wet before you suck the water back out to clean it. So let's see how the E28 actually handles itself with a couple different spill scenarios. Now, to show you how well this actually works, I have a pretty light carpet here, which could stain pretty easily. And I'm gonna spill a glass of juice, some coffee, and of course, some wine as well. And then all you have to do is pull out the hose, press the water button here to get the surface more wet. This actually helped with diluting the liquid itself to help clean up the stain. And then after that, just run the hose right over and it sucks up all the liquid. Depending on how much liquid you spilled, you might have to run this over a couple of times. But after only about 30 seconds, I was actually able to clean up all 3 of these spills, which is pretty impressive. And of course, you can also use this in your car if you've got an extension cord long enough to get it out there. I'm sure you vacuum the inside of your car from time to time, but when was the last time that you used a deep cleaning vacuum to get out that dirt buildup that builds up over time, that gets deep inside the fabric threads? After about 20 minutes of cleaning, honestly, the inside of our car looks better than it has in a couple of years. And since we haven't had a portable deep cleaner in our house for, I don't know, maybe 3 to 5 years, we used it on our couch, our dining room chairs, and a couple different rugs as well, just to get them a lot cleaner than what they currently are. You'd be surprised how much dirt and grime comes out of it when you're using something like this. And then once you're done, just press the button here to activate the self-cleaning feature. This cleans out all the dirt and grime from the hose and makes sure that it all gets back to the water tank on the inside here. And then just wind up the hose, place the unit back onto the base station, and you're done. Easy as that, hassle-free. On its own, the deep cleaning vacuum is a pretty great product, I have to say, but let's not forget that it's just one part of the E28. The robot vacuum itself, right down here, is actually pretty good, and with eufy's new HydroJet cleaning system, which cleans that mop roller at the bottom with fresh water as it goes, unlike a lot of competing devices that have spinning brushes at the bottom that kind of just spread your mess around before they return to the base station to clean themselves. The HydroJet system on the E28 has a dual scraping structure that cleans the roller 360 times per minute, while also applying 1.5 kilograms of pressure on the mop to make sure that you can clean up even dried stains from your floor that have been sitting there for a couple days. But when the robot detects that it's going onto a carpet or a rug, it'll automatically lift that mop roller on the bottom of the unit so that it doesn't touch the carpet. It lifts up to 10.5 millimeters. And I also do want to point out that it has some pretty beefy suspension here with the wheels, which does help out when it's moving over thresholds between the different floor levels from room to room in our house, which a lot of other robot vacuums seem to struggle with. On top of that, eufy's also improved the suction power for this robot vacuum, taking it all the way to up to 20,000 pascals of suction, which means it's going to vacuum up anything that's in its path. And then there's a flexible arm here on the side just to make sure that it's getting deep within those corners, to make sure that there's no dust or debris left behind. And then one of the things that this does address that's a really big pet peeve of mine is being able to go tangle-free with that roller brush. I have a family with 3 women, wife and 2 daughters, all of which have long hair, which means we have hair on our floor constantly, which is something that a lot of other robot vacuums, you have to take off the roller and then clean it out every week or so. But with this new split design system that has a separation right down the middle and then detracts so that the hair that's on the roller then gets sucked into the waste bin inside the robot vacuum so that you never have to clean this out. I've been using the E28 for about a week and a half now, and I'm going to take this cover off and then just show you how much hair is stuck in there. There is absolutely nothing tangled up in there. We'll have to wait and see how this looks after a month, maybe 2, but honestly, based off of what we're seeing so far, I am very impressed with this new roller design. As I'm sure you know, eufy is one of the best in the game when it comes to navigation and obstacle avoidance of your house. We actually managed to map the first floor of our house in under 5 minutes before it started cleaning. And with that advanced camera system on the front and the LiDAR dome up top, it's able to identify more than 200 different objects and move around them as it's cleaning. And there's also even a built-in LED light right up top here that allows it to see in the darker areas, maybe you have a dark corner or underneath your furniture, and make sure that it's not running anything over as it's cleaning those areas as well. A new feature that eufy is rolling out this year with this unit is AI stain detection, which seems to work pretty well so far. If it identifies a stain that's on your carpet while it's cleaning, the app will suggest that you use the deep cleaner to clean that up. But if that stain is on the floor, the mop will kick into high gear and then do a double pass, changing the direction of its cleaning just to make sure that it scrubs everything out. And then finally, there's the AI dirt check after it's done cleaning. If it detects or notices that there's something that it missed, it'll go back and clean it up before returning to the base station. Speaking of which, the base station is actually pretty well equipped with a 3-liter dust bag that's built in that you can go up to 75 days without having to empty it, but it'll automatically empty and refill the dustbin and water tanks inside the robot vacuum and also dispense detergent as well. It'll wash that roller mop, and then once it's done washing it, it'll actually heat it and dry it as well so that you don't get any lingering smells. And then to save you a little bit of money, it'll also charge the robot vacuum on off-peak hours at night. On its own, the E28 at $999 as a robot vacuum just on its own is pretty great, but the fact that it has a portable deep cleaner that's built right into the base station means you'll have a hard time finding anything else that offers just as much value. But if you're not into the deep cleaner itself, you can actually pick up the eufy E25 that ditches the deep cleaner but has the same robot vacuum. But I'll leave that call up to you. For more details on the eufy E28 or the E25 as well, be sure to check out the link in the video description below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and of course, thanks for eufy for sponsoring it. I'll catch you in the next one.